Morning of villages. Hello friends. Today, I am going to show you the village morning which is never found in the city. This is real life, which calms the heart. When the first ray of the sun touches the earth, it seems as if nature is smiling. The day begins very early in the villages. Here, not the sound of alarm, but the chirping of birds awakens. The cool air, fresh atmosphere, and simple life is the real beauty of the village. Apart from the fast-paced life of the city, every moment here conveys a message of peace. The freshness that is found in the morning of the village is not found anywhere else. Friends, have you ever thought that away from the hustle and bustle of the city, there is a place where every morning brings peace and refreshment? Today you will see that morning of the village which makes the heart happy.